This outdoor shed is probably our most worthy investment for our home office this year. With everything handcrafted in Pennsylvania, USA, the lead time for the shed delivery is approximately 8 weeks from the date you ordered it. There are various choices for the model and sizes of this shed, and obviously we choose the most popular A-frame with vinyl siding, and the reason being, firstly, the color-wise, it's matching our house siding color, and secondly, it's easy to maintain, and it's unlike other wood siding which needs to be repainted every few years. And last but not least, it's very long-lasting. It can last about 20 years with that warranty. The dimension of this shed is 8 times 10 feet, so it's not blocking our trees or windows. Also, be aware that for this type of shed, you also need to apply for the permit from the township and get approval before you even deliver the shed. So it also takes time, and it's something for you to consider if you're trying to build something before the snow. And before the shed can sit on this place, we also need to consider the site preparation, and in this case, we choose a standard crushed stone bed. Some add-on feature to consider is accessories needed for the shed. In this case, we selected a 4x5 square feet of the ramp made of the pressure-washed wood to help us move the tools in and out. Let's now take a look at the inside to see how much additional storage space it can actually save us. With this additional 80 square footage of space, we can actually put on our portable generator, mower, snow remover, vacuum, and the toy electronic vehicle, etc. into this place. The sticker here marks the accessory ramp that I was talking about. There are 2 ventilation windows at the top to regulate the temperature of this shed. You see there's still a lot of room left to store additional Christmas trees, decorations, toys, and tools. So the whole shed is costing us approximately $4,000 US, but in my eyes, it's a good investment and it's totally worth it.